Hello friends, welcome back to Paperboat. Today I'll show you how to make a beautiful home decoration.
Sometimes I'm selfish, get jealous, I feel a little helpless. My whole world has shifted again. You made a promise, I kept it. Now I'm second guessing. My whole world has shifted again. Now I drive back to an empty home, and it's setting in. Now that your things are gone.
We need many of these paper roses. The tutorial for making these paper roses are given in the I button above.
I guess I deserve this. I do right whenever I'm hurting. I guess I'm still learning how to love.
We need to make many of these leaves. The tutorial for making these is given in the I button above. Thank you for watching. Hope you all liked and enjoyed my video. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to Paperboat, and also press the bell icon for more notifications.